Welcome again, grade 3. Now we're going to take the science lesson. Before we start, I want to tell you that page 31 and 32 is cancelled or deleted. So we're going to talk about climatologist in page 33. Open your box page 33 and stay with me. As usual, STEM Connection talks about a career or a job. We will talk about it, but you mustn't study it for the exam, okay? You can skip it easily. But I want you to send me a video for yourselves talking about the climatologist, and if you want to be a climatologist when you grow up, after we talk about them and what does a climatologist do. Okay, I will let it read for you. The first paragraph. Yes, so those people are kind of scientists. They study the climate, but they don't study the climate for 10 days, for a week. No, they study it for a very long time, can be a year or more, or even decades. Okay, so they study the climate for very, very long time. Surely they're not using the usual ways of measuring weather or climate, they use satellites. Let's read the second paragraph. Yes, so they don't only study the climate, they study things about the global change. How do the climate around all the worlds differ? How do they change? Okay, so they also study places around the oceans, and how do oceans affect the environment or the climate around them? Okay, so let's read the last paragraph. Yes, so because they are studying about the global climate, so they are studying the climate around all of the world, they can't do this alone. So they work in teams and they have a lot of problems to solve. This is the satellite, okay? Can you see this picture in your box? This is the satellite. So it's your own. How is the climatologist's job different from the meteorologist's job? How do climatologists help people prepare for or avoid natural disasters? So I don't want you to answer this question, okay? Don't answer it. I want you to answer the second one. How do climatologists help people prepare for or avoid natural disasters? I don't want you to write this on a paper. I want a video for you talking about climatologists. What do you think about their job? Is it a good job or a bad job? Would you like to be a climatologist when you grow up? And how they can help people to avoid natural disasters. I'm waiting to see your videos. This was the first part of today's lesson. Now we're going to take the review. The inquiry activity, land and temperature change, page 34, 35 is deleted. We're not going to take it. So open your box, page 36. We're going to take the review. Now, the question we started this lesson with was, why does the tree change throughout the year? Now we know that we have four different seasons. In each season, temperature differ, climate differ, precipitation differ. That's why the plants or trees are changing. Now, if you answered the question in the science prep wrongly, you can do it again now. Okay. What is okay? Now, let me see something. Okay. This is the question page 36. Explain why the seasons change throughout the year. I talked about it and I said it quickly and I forgotten to show you the answer, okay? So, the tilt of the Earth and its rotation around the Sun cause seasons and the trees to change. So again, you remember when we said that there is an axis that the Earth is moving around. So this make the four seasons, and each season has different changes that affect the trees. So write this answer, which is the best answer. Okay, now we're going to see this question. Okay, this question, which is question one, we're going to skip it. Okay, and we're going to skip question two either, I think. 1 minute. Okay, we're going to skip question two. So again, we're not going to do question one and two, but I want you to do question three. That will be your homework. Explain two of the four seasons. So I want you to write and to draw two of the four seasons. And if you want, you can send me a video of yourselves talking about the four seasons as you want. So I want to see this solved in your box. And if you send me a video, this will be extra mark for you or extra points. Okay, that's it for today and see you tomorrow inshallah.